Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, August 14th. So we're almost halfway through the month of August. And we had a major announcement today at 8:30, core CPI month over month, CPI month over month, CPI year over year. And you can see their red numbers here that came out at 8:30. They were as expected, and slightly less than expected. And the market doesn't really know what to do with these numbers. They're not good. They're just not bad. They're just eh. And so, what's going to happen? Initially, the market went down, then it went up, then it went down again, and now it is kind of going up again. The market really wants to go up. It's really fighting to come up with some sort of reason to go up, but this was not it. So, means that inflation is still lingering. This may be the one thing that the Fed will grab and say, hey, we're just not seeing the progress we really want. And they'll stall doing a rate cut in September, waiting till November, which of course will be after the election, which of course is what I think that the Fed is going to try to do, is put it off until after the election. 10:30, we've got crude oil inventories, and that is it for the day for U.S. information. All right, moving on. Looking at daily chart here, you can see we are gapping up very, very slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be a fifth day up. Remember that the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So 5 could certainly be a up day. We are finally now above the 20-day moving average. So that is a good thing. There's the 50, and this is the 200. So we're finally getting back above the 20-day moving average. So that's bullish. What's concerning to me is these volume numbers. The volume numbers are just pathetic on this move up. You would think that if we were going to really bounce, people would be jumping on board, trying to, get part of the lower prices, take advantage of those discounts. We're just not seeing volume spikes like I would like to see on this move up, which makes me believe this move up is probably not a true move, and that we will probably roll over and come back down at some point. Where is support and resistance, or where could we go today? Based on the action, we could easily come up and test this 100-day moving average, or is it the 50-day moving average? Yeah, the 50-day moving average right here. At 5508, 5500, of course, being a big number. We're not that far from there, so we definitely have potential to go even higher, which would probably be 5598 or 5600 would be the number, which is this high from over here. On the downside, where could we go? I think we could easily retest this area right in here, this high volume node, 5302, 5300 being the main number there. So that's kind of where the bigger picture is. Looking at the inventory was positive yesterday, 25,000, and that's not to be unexpected with a large move up. So these are correlated, nothing to write home about there, nothing out of the ordinary. Overnight action, you can see the giant spike here from the 8:30 news, 48 to 73. That is actually 25 points or so. And that is relatively low, and that's actually close to average. Average is 20 to 22, 25. Ooh, we haven't been close to average in a long time for overnight volatility. So maybe this market is starting to settle down a bit. We'll have to wait and see. Where do we have intraday support and resistance? 5,500 is by far the number on the top side. We've got some resistance also at 5480. We could break 5500. 5520 is the next level. On the downside, where do we have support? 5450. You see where my blue line right there is a number of importance. We get below that, it could certainly plummet further down. I do like this area right here at 5438-ish, and 54, let's call it 5415, down to 5400. 5400 will obviously be a whole number, big spot lying in the sand there as well. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 57.1, 57.1, so a slight positive advantage. 57% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Have a great day and happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.